Bagrati Cathedral can be seen from many guest house terrace in Kutaisi. Its silhouette floats above the city, and its light green rooftops are unusual for Georgian churches. Bagrati Cathedral was commissioned by King Bagrat III and consecrated in 1003 AD as part of his effort to unite the Georgian kingdom under one Christian identity. It was built from this very bright light grey-coloured limestone. Its original dome rested on 4 monumental piers that created an imposing crucifix form shape, visible from far across the valley. Medieval stonemasons added blind arcades and carved reliefs of saints and royal donors. By the 15th century, Bagrati had become both a religious centre and a defensive stronghold. But Georgia's history is full of invasions and internal struggles. And in 1692, much of the dome and the western wall collapsed. For centuries, the cathedral existed as a ruin. It was roofless, quiet, and exposed to the elements. Yet people still came. Local Orthodox families held occasional services here, and Christian festivals continued, even as the sky often poured rain straight through the broken arches. In the early 2000s, a major restoration project began, backed by UNESCO. Traditional stonework was combined with modern engineering to stabilize the walls and rebuild the dome. Some praised the work as a salvation of a national icon, while others felt that the mixture of ancient and new stone disrupted its authenticity. The debate grew so heated that the cathedral was actually removed from the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2010. Standing here in person, seeing the contrast between the old weathered limestone and the newer patches of stone, you understand both sides of the argument. It's a building caught between what it once was and what it needed to become to survive. As with so many Georgian holy sites, Bagrati has its own stories. When Bagrat III dedicated the cathedral, he prayed for the Virgin Mary's protection over the newly united Georgian kingdom. That night, a bright star was said to have hovered above the dome of the church, a sign that Georgia would endure under her watch. A local guide told us about a hidden crypt beneath the western apse, where precious reliquaries are concealed during invasions, and it's believed to be connected to the hillside by a secret staircase. No archaeological evidence has actually confirmed this, but maybe this story survives simply because it feels like it could be true here. Today, the cathedral continues to play a role in Kutaisi's cultural life. During an annual festival, the ruins are floodlit at night while choirs perform. Watching my kids climb over the stones that have survived 1,000 years of history. If you're interested in exploring and learning more about Orthodox holy sites in Georgia, give my channel a follow. Every week I share one more amazing Orthodox cathedral or church that we've visited here in Georgia.